NPK blending fertilizer production line. The fertilizer granulator is designed and manufactured according to the requirements of the compound fertilizer plant and fertilizer distributor. This production line is mainly composed of the batching machine, belt conveyor, NPK blending mixer, packing machine, and so on. Advantages: 1. It uses the single bag mixing method. That's easy to control the material of each bag, and the mixing uniformity is high. 2. The spiral section of the mixing section is reasonable and unique, and the mixing is uniform. The speed of material entry and exit is fast. 3. Computed automatic batching, mixing and packing are melted into the production line. The method of twisting cage feeding is adopted, and with small floor space, less labor and less investment. 4. The whole equipment is made of stainless steel. It has the corrosion-resistant CE and long service life.